Miss, can I talk to you for a minute?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I think the lessons are too hard for me.
Too hard? Tell me what feels difficult.
The grammar, the new words. When you speak fast, I don't understand everything.
That's completely normal. Learning takes time.
But other students answer quickly. I feel slow.
You're not slow. You're learning at your own pace.
Sometimes I study for hours and I still forget words.
That happens to everyone. Do you practice a little every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
Consistency is more important than long study sessions.
So I should study every day.
Yes, even 20 minutes daily can make a big difference.
What about speaking? I'm afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're trying. That's how progress happens.
Really? Even if I say something wrong?
Especially then, every mistake teaches you something.
I never thought about it like that.
Let's make a small plan together.
Okay, what should I start with?
5 new words a day, short conversations, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
That sounds possible.
It is possible. You're capable. You just need practice.
Thank you, miss. I feel better now.
Good. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race.
Good afternoon. What seems to be the problem?
Good afternoon, doctor. My stomach hurts.
I see. When did the pain start?
It started yesterday evening.
Is it a sharp pain or a dull pain?
It's more like a dull pain, but sometimes it gets stronger.
Did you eat anything unusual?
Yes, I ate some fast food with my friends.
Do you feel sick or have a fever?
I feel a little nauseous, but I don't have a fever.
All right, I'm going to check your stomach. Tell me if it hurts.
Okay, it hurts a little there. Okay, it hurts a little there.
It may be something you ate. I recommend drinking more water and avoiding heavy food.
Do I need medicine?
I'll give you something mild for the pain. If it doesn't get better in 2 days, come back.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get some rest.
This cake is amazing. You have to try it.
I know, it's so soft and sweet. I didn't expect it to be this good.
And the coffee is perfect, too. Not too strong.
Yeah, this cafe was a great choice.
By the way, I have some news.
Oh, really? What happened?
I got a new job!
No way. That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thanks. I start next Monday.
I'm so happy for you. What kind of job is it?
It's a marketing position at a small company.
That sounds exciting. Are you nervous?
A little, but mostly excited.
You'll do great. You always work hard.
Thanks, man. What about you? Any news?
Actually, I'm thinking about moving to a new apartment.
Really? That's big news, too.
Yeah, it's closer to my work.
Looks like we both have new beginnings.
Let's celebrate with another piece of cake.
Deal!
Oh my goodness. Is that you, Daniel?
Miss Carter? Wow! I can't believe it's really you!
Look at you. You've grown up so much.
It's been years. I didn't expect to see you here.
I come to this park sometimes. It's peaceful. What about you?
I just moved back to the city for work.
Really? What are you doing now?
I'm working as a graphic designer.
That's wonderful. You were always so creative in class.
Honestly, you were the one who encouraged me.
I'm proud of you. It makes me happy to see my students succeed.
How have you been?
I retired last year. Now I enjoy simple things. Walks, books, and coffee with old friends.
You deserve it. You helped so many students.
Seeing you today is the best reward.
Thank you for everything you taught me.
And thank you for remembering.
Excuse me, young lady. Could you help me for a moment?
Of course, sir. What seems to be the problem?
It's my first time using the subway in Tokyo. I'm a bit confused.
That's completely understandable. It can be complicated at first.
I don't know where to buy a ticket. Do I pay here at the gate?
No, first you need to buy a ticket at the machine over there.
Oh, I see. There are so many buttons. Which one should I press?
You can start by pressing the English button in the corner. It will change the language.
That's helpful. And then?
Then choose your destination from the map.
What if I don't know the price?
Don't worry, the machine calculates it automatically.
That's good. Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can use cash or a card.
And after I buy the ticket?
You go to the gate and insert the ticket into the slot.
Will I get it back?
Yes, the machine will return it on the other side. Don't forget to take it.
What happens when I arrive at my station?
You insert the ticket again at the exit gate.
Ah, that makes sense now.
If you plan to travel often, I recommend getting an IC card.
Is that easier?
Much easier. You just tap it here on the green sensor.
No buttons to press?
No buttons at all. Just tap and walk through.
Technology has changed so much since I was young.
Yes, but once you try it, it's simple.
Thank you for being so patient with me.
It's my pleasure. I hope you enjoy your time in Tokyo.
Thanks to you, I already feel more confident.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. You've made my day.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Gas Station.
Hi, thank you.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to fill up the tank, please.
Sure. Regular or premium?
Regular, please.
No problem. Are you traveling?
Yes, I drove here from another city.
Oh, really? From where?
I came from Osaka. It was a long drive.
Wow, that's quite far. You must be tired.
A little, but I'm excited to explore this area.
Your English is very good, by the way.
Really? Thank you. I've been studying for a few years.
It shows. You speak very clearly.
That means a lot. I still make mistakes sometimes.
That's normal. You're doing great.
Thank you so much.
The tank is full now. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Drive safely.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Let's practice English together. Comment below. 1. Where are you from? 2. What's your name? I will reply to as many comments as possible.